HanaFix Epic Games account already linked on Xbox. So what you want to do is just go search for Epic Games and load up the first website that pops up. Now you will click on sign in the top right. Here, from the sign in options, you can either log in with the Xbox account, or if you know the password to your account in email, then you just use it to log in right here. So I'll just log into my account and come back in a second. Okay, so once you have logged into your account, you will click on your name in the top right, and then you want to go into account. Now here we want to navigate to apps and accounts, and you should see Xbox as connected, or it should say remove here like it does for my Steam. So all we have to do is disconnect your Xbox from here and just click on remove, check all of these boxes, remove account, and that's going to disconnect Xbox from your Epic Games. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.